What's up, guys? I originally wasn't gonna vlog up here at the Royal Gorge, but it's been raining all morning and we pretty much have the whole place to ourselves. So yeah, we're just hanging out and I figured I'd take you guys along for the ride. This will probably be a shorter video than normal, but hey, it's content, so get to see the beautiful Royal Gorge and all that good stuff. Oh no, it's a feral Declan. Kellen's just chilling down here. He doesn't want none of it. Oh. Oh no, Declan passed out. Y'all are silly. So yeah, we're up here at the playland area. The kids are playing right now, obviously. But they have the gondola, the like barn swing or whatever you want to call that thing, the big swing. Those are closed, the zip line's closed, and then like I said, the gondola is closed because of the weather. Hey Kellen, you doing okay? Yeah? Y'all climbing up?
Hi Dad.
Hi. Wow, you're up tall.
Playing zombie infection.
Zombie infection, oh no.
I have a zombie.
Uh-oh. This is seriously a cool playground though. Since we are the only ones here, I'm letting the kids be a little bit crazier than normal. You doing it? You can do it. Come on. It's a pretty strong net, buddy. Yeah, just don't let your foot slip through there. You go down the stairs. Can do a shootout. Kellen, you find a train? Find the train? Yeah, it's a cool train, huh?
That's loud. Yeah, that's loud.
Here's the big reveal.
Whoa.
It's the bridge.
We're so high.
Can you see anything?
No, because I'm too short. And
Yeah. We spent all our quarters.
there's quarter. Hey, guys, this looks like crystals.
Isn't that amazing?
Look, these look like crystals.
Yep, it's quartz.
Look, there's where we just were.
There's a gondola.
Yeah, there's the gondola.
It was closed earlier. I don't know if they're gonna open it.
That's what I call gondola. What if you called it gondola?
You guys are funny.
Gondola. I call him gondola.
Kellen, what'd you see? You see anything? Are we up high? Isn't it beautiful?
Something.
I don't see anything.
All right, we're up here at this observation point close to the gondola. Like I said earlier, the gondola is not running because it was pouring down rain earlier. What's up, kids?
And we saw a big old sheep earlier. Yeah, it was
Yeah.
amazing.
It was so cool. It was just chilling there eating some grass, huh?
Over here. Use the Arkansas. Go where I am.
Are you sure?
and then you can see it.
Are you sure that's what that is?
Yeah. Yeah.
I wish the train would go by. Wouldn't that be cool?
Yeah.
To see the train?
Cause what if like it was right, Pikes Peak was right there next to the bridge, and every single time you go on the train, you can look down and then you'll see a river. I can see it.
You can see it?
Yeah.
Is it beautiful?
Yeah. It's because I'm on like a higher step.
Uh-huh. Do you like this better or Pikes Peak better?
I like Pikes Peak better because you could see like more animals and we only saw one.
Oh yeah. What's over here, Kellen? No. Think so.
Really good. I can't see that good. I can't see that good.
Okay, don't judge them.
Here it goes. All right, here we go, back across the bridge, and it's not pouring raining on us now. No fishing from the bridge. Yeah, good luck with that. There goes the train. It's going kind of slow right now. I think it says trying to observe. Let everybody look up at the bridge. All right, there's the observation tower that we were just at with the kids. We're back on the bridge now.
Hi.
You waving at the train?
Yeah. Hi.
I'd love to ride that train, but it's so expensive. So I don't know how well you guys can see it, but let me move it. In the middle of my screen, toward the top, there's a kind of a shack pavilion thing with like a tin roof, and there's some tracks. I don't know if it's still open, but when I was a kid, you could ride a little train. Like the train was really small and you sat on top of the train cars, and that's the lookout point where that train pulls off and you can look at the canyon and the bridge. So I didn't see any signs about it, so I don't know if it's still running, but it was definitely a lot of fun. Austin, what do you think? Good. That's all you got to say. Good?
It's amazing.
It's amazing. It's so peaceful up here right now. You can hear the river running. It's running away. Okay, well, there's a few more people that showed up now. Oh, heard the train. Train's honking. But yeah, you can tell, look behind me, there's like hardly anybody else on the bridge, so we're almost back across. Like I said, I didn't start out I wasn't gonna do a vlog, so I didn't film going the other way. But we're going back across to the visitor center. We've been here a while now. I think the kids have had a good time, so it's been a long time since I've been here. But it's always an amazing sight. There they go.
Yep, there they go.
See the train killing?
Train?
See, they pick up speed when they go out the other end.
How the gorge became royal. Arkansas River. Can you imagine like doing construction on this thing? Pretty awesome. Well, I think the kids have had about all they can take. Just had some ice cream and cotton candy and a drink and a snack, so heading back to the visitor center now. Might get one last look off the cafe balcony and then head to our next stop, which is Bishop Castle. So I can't remember being there in my adult life, so it's gonna be a fun time for sure. If you've stuck around this long, thanks for watching the video. We'll see you in the next one.